Amazon Flex earnings don't increase just by doing more blocks. They increase when you reduce unpaid driving time, pick higher efficiency routes, and consistently land blocks that match strong delivery demand windows. By the end of this, you'll know how to increase your effective hourly earnings, avoid low efficiency routes, and make better decisions before and during every block. First, start with block selection. Not all blocks are equal in distance or workload. Some routes are dense and close together, which means more deliveries and less time. Others stretch far across suburbs and eat up your entire block with driving. Choosing shorter, denser routes when available improves your output without increasing hours. Second, reduce empty miles. Empty miles are the distance you drive before your first stop and after your last delivery. These miles don't pay you. Positioning yourself closer to the warehouse before your block starts reduces the time and distance you spend driving without earnings. Third, timing matters. Blocks tied to peak delivery demand periods tend to be more efficient because routes are often clustered and optimized for speed. Early morning and evening shifts usually align better with customer demand compared to midday gaps. Fourth, improve route efficiency. Following the optimized route in the app matters, but small adjustments can still save time when stops are clustered closely. The less time you spend circling or backtracking, the more deliveries you complete inside the same block. Fifth, avoid slow completion habits. Small delays like extended breaks during a block or unnecessary stops reduce your overall delivery count. Since earnings are tied to time blocks, faster completion within the same shift improves your effective hourly rate. Sixth, consistency improves access to better opportunities. Drivers who regularly complete blocks on time tend to stay active and ready for future assignments. That reliability helps maintain steady access to available shifts instead of sporadic gaps. Across all of these strategies, the biggest shift is thinking in terms of time efficiency, not just total payout. A slightly lower paying but faster route can outperform a longer high-paying route if it frees up time for additional blocks later. Here's the summary. Higher Amazon Flex earnings come from choosing dense routes, minimizing unpaid miles, working peak demand times, and improving delivery speed within each block. The system rewards efficiency more than raw effort. One practical next step is to track your last 5 blocks and write down total miles, time spent, and payout. That data shows which routes are actually worth repeating. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of delivery apps and gig strategies that help you earn more in less time.